So another comparison do sa 4-port and 6-port engines of the Mazda Rx-8 is you can see it well here sa intake manifold gasket. This is the 4-port. You can see 4 port holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 6-port intake manifold gasket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you will see here there's the standard ports, the primary port and the secondary port. But in the 6-port there are additional 2 ports, the 5th and 6th port, for an added airflow inside the rotary engine. And the gasket for the 6-port is so thick and multi-layer, and for the 4-port is a single layer steel and very thin, unlike the 6-port, which there's a thick metal and there's a thin layer of gasket, and on the top there's a 2-layer steel gasket.